Good morning, contact lens, 8th floor. It's about 8 o'clock. Waiting room is nice and quiet. Front desk is not yet open. I'm going to walk down this short hall past our patient accounts windows. And I'm going to just stop into a contact lens exam room. So here is one of our typical exam rooms. Keyboard, exam chair, Hochstreit slit lamp, and visual acuity system. We'll leave the exam room. We'll travel a couple of steps to one of our 2 lens supply rooms. So, this is our rigid contact lens exam room. There are a number of binders that deal with soft lenses and trial lens sets that deal with scleral lenses. We have lens verification equipment, lensometers, radioscopes, more scleral trial lenses. We have hybrid lenses and CRT Ortho K lenses. We have a disinfection station for all of our trial lenses that are used each and every day. They'll be put away this morning before clinic starts. And a whiteboard, more lens verification equipment, radioscope, lensometer, prosthetic modification equipment, and just our storage bins for lenses that we have retrieved from patients as we're modifying their lens fits. So we'll take a short walk. A few steps away is the exam room dedicated to the resident. Trial lens set, sink of course, keyboard, chair and stand, Hochstreit microscope. We'll move down the hall a few more steps. We're right behind the front desk at this point. And we'll walk into room 837, which is a consultation room, faculty consultation room. There are various cabinets for storage, for solutions. There are 4 computer stations in the center of this room for faculty use, and the 2 perimeter walls, as you can see, are full of soft trial lenses from every manufacturer that we have available in the United States. And those are restocked by our contact lens tech and industry people. One more stop along the way, short walk down the hall, and we'll go to our special testing room where we have an Atlas topographer, we have a cell density count, endothelial cell density count machine, we have our Pentacam unit, and we have our Hochstreit inter-segment camera for video and still use. So that is a quick tour of the contact lens service. We are anticipating the arrival of an OCT, anterior segment OCT, which will be housed in this same space. That's our brief tour. All right, in about a half hour things will be jumping. So I'll sign off for now. Bye-bye.